Welcome to Basic English Stream. This is your easy English listening practice for real life. I am Royi, and today I need help in a clothing store.
Oh, what happened? Did you find a shirt with 7 sleeves?
Not yet. I found a blue jacket for my friend, but the size looked small. A store assistant came over, and my English suddenly went into the fitting room without me.
That is a very clear picture. Do not worry. Today we will practice one golden question. Do you have this in a medium?
So I can ask about a size without making a long speech.
Exactly. We will also ask about color and price, request a fitting room, handle an item that is not available, and finish politely.
What is a store assistant?
A store assistant is a person who helps customers in a shop. In our story, the assistant helps you find another jacket. You can say, "The store assistant helped me find my size."
Customer means a person who buys something, right?
Yes, a customer is a person shopping in a store. Today, you are the customer, and I will sometimes play the store assistant.
Good. I only need to be Roy, the customer, not Roy, the silent jacket holder.
Right. Shopping English is like trying on clothes. Start with one simple sentence. If it does not fit the situation, change one word.
Size, color, or item.
Exactly. Do you have this in a medium? Do you have this in blue? Do you have these shoes in a size 9?
I hear one useful frame with small changes.
That is the goal. We will listen, notice the frame, build your sentence, speak it, and return tomorrow.
My shopping bag is empty, but my sentence pocket is getting full.
Before we begin, here is your listening challenge. Listen for 3 polite questions and 1 natural way to say no.
Repeat one line softly, then write your real size or favorite color in the comments.
If slow, clear English helps you outside home, save this episode and follow Basic English Stream for the next real-life conversation.
Eyes ready, voice ready, shopping mission ready. Let us go inside.
You see a jacket you like. The assistant asks, "Can I help you?" What can you say?
Yes, please. Do you have this in a medium?
Perfect. Size means how big or small something is. In this conversation, you need the correct jacket size. You can say, "This size is too small for me."
Is medium always the same in every store?
No, sizes can be different, so trying the item on is helpful. Small, medium, and large are common clothing sizes.
If I need a larger size, can I say, "Do you have this in a large"?
Yes, the word "this" points to the item near you. The phrase "in a large" asks for the same item in another size.
What about shoes? I do not say medium for most shoes.
Right, use a number. Do you have these shoes in a size 9? We say "these shoes" because shoes are a pair.
2 shoes, 1 sentence, and hopefully 2 happy feet.
Exactly. Now imagine the jacket is the right size, but you want a different color.
Do you have this in blue?
Very good. Color means the look of something, such as blue, black, green, or coral.
Coral is a very Lisa color.
It is. In our store scene, you can say, "Do you have this shirt in white?" Or, "Does this come in black?"
What does come in mean here?
Come in means an item is available in a certain color, size, or style. In this conversation, we ask about choices. You can say, "This bag comes in 3 colors."
So, does this come in green? And, do you have this in green? Are both useful.
Yes. The first asks if that option exists. The second asks if the store has it now.
And how do I ask the price?
Point to one item and ask, "How much is this?" For more than one item, ask, "How much are these?"
I sometimes say, "How much it is?"
People may understand, but the correct question order is, "How much is it?" The verb comes before the subject in this question.
How much is it? How much is this jacket? How much are these shoes?
Excellent. A price tag is the small label that shows the price. In our scene, the price tag is missing. You can say, "Excuse me, this does not have a price tag. How much is it?
That feels clear and polite.
One more useful word is sale. A sale is a time when some prices are lower. In this store, the jacket is on sale. You can say, this jacket is on sale today.
Can I ask, is this on sale?
Yes. Now listeners, say one sentence. Do you have this in? Use a size or color. You have 1.5 seconds. Pause the video if you want more time.
I found a blue jacket in medium. Can I put it on before I buy it?
Yes. Ask, could I try this on? Try on means put on clothes or shoes to see if they fit.
In our story, I try on the jacket before paying. I can say, I would like to try this jacket on.
Good. You can also ask, where is the fitting room? A fitting room is a small private room where customers try on clothes.
A place where I turn around 3 times and still cannot see the back of the jacket.
That is often true. The assistant may say, the fitting rooms are over there.
What should I say if the jacket is not comfortable?
Comfortable means it feels good on your body. In this conversation, the sleeves feel tight. You can say, this jacket is not very comfortable.
Tight means it feels too small around my body.
Exactly. Tight means there is not enough space. You can say, the sleeves are too tight. Loose means there is too much space. The waist is too loose.
So too shows there is a problem. Too tight, too loose, too long, or too expensive.
Perfect. That is a useful pattern. It is a little big is softer. It is too big clearly says it does not fit.
If it is too tight, I can ask, do you have this in a large?
Yes, that is the return question. First describe the problem, then ask for the next option.
What if I like it, but I am not ready to buy it?
You can say, I am still deciding, thank you. Deciding means thinking before you choose.
In our store story, I compare the blue jacket and the black jacket, so I am still deciding.
Exactly. You can also say, I will think about it. That is a polite way to leave without buying.
Better than slowly walking backward while holding the jacket.
Much better. Be careful with, I do not want it. It is understandable, but it can sound strong. It is not quite right for me, or I will think about it. Feels softer.
That is our conversation skill. Give a short reason, then finish politely.
Yes. For example, the sleeves are a little tight, so I will think about it. Thank you for your help.
Can I ask to see another style?
Of course. Say, do you have something similar? Similar means almost the same, but not exactly the same.
In this conversation, I want another jacket with the same color and a different shape. I can say, do you have something similar in blue?
Excellent. A question can open another door in the store.
Listeners, choose one problem and one next step. It is too bunk. Do you have this in blah?
Say it aloud. Simple English is enough. You do not need a perfect accent to ask for a better fit. Let us do a full role play. I am the store assistant. You are looking for a jacket for your friend.
Great. I am ready.
Store assistant. Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I like this jacket. Do you have this in a medium?
Let me check. We have medium in black, but the blue one is not available in medium.
Available means the store has it, and you can buy it now, right?
Right. In our story, blue medium is not available. You can say, is this size available online?
Then I will ask, does it come in another color?
Good. Yes, it comes in black and green.
Could I see the black one, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Could I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is behind the mirror.
I try it on, and for once, I find the fitting room before walking around the whole store.
Progress. Now you come back. How does it fit?
The body feels good, but the sleeves are a little long.
We have a similar style with shorter sleeves. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Excellent response. You listened to the suggestion and accepted it politely.
Now I see the price tag. How much is this one?
It is $60, and it is on sale today.
Oh, what was the original price?
Original price means the price before the sale. The assistant says it was $80.
I can compare the prices and decide.
Exactly. Compare means look at two or more things to see how they are different. In this scene, you compare the colors, sleeve length, and price.
What if the item looks damaged?
Damaged means broken or not in good condition. You can say, "Excuse me, there is a small mark on this jacket. Do you have another one?"
That is better than paying first and finding the mark at home.
Yes, check the item calmly. At the checkout, you may hear, "Would you like a bag?" And, "Do you need a receipt?"
A receipt is the paper or digital record of what I paid.
Correct. In this conversation, you keep the receipt in case the size is wrong for your friend. You can say, "Could I have the receipt, please?"
Maybe I should ask about an exchange too.
An exchange means you return an item and get another size, color, or item. Ask, "Can I exchange this if it does not fit?"
That question is useful when buying a gift.
Now, let us fix 4 common mistakes. Have medium becomes, "Do you have this in a medium?"
I want try becomes, could I try this on?
How much it is becomes, "How much is it?"
And give receipt becomes, could I have the receipt, please?
Very good. Listeners, write your sentence in the comments. Do you have this in? Use a real size or color.
Save the episode and repeat that sentence tomorrow while looking at something you own. Make the English personal. Let us put our shopping mission into a small bag of golden phrases.
First, ask for another size or color. Do you have this in a medium? Or, do you have this in blue?
For shoes, say, do you have these in a size 9?
Ask the price with, "How much is this?" Or, "How much are these?" Remember the question word order.
Before buying clothes, ask, could I try this on? And where is the fitting room?
Describe the fit simply. It is too tight. The sleeves are a little long. Then ask for the next option.
If the item is not available, ask, does it come in another color? Or, do you have something similar?
And if you do not want it, finish kindly. "I am still deciding, thank you." Or, "I will think about it."
No silent backward walk. I have words now.
You do. Your final mission is a short store conversation. Ask for a size, ask one price question, try the item on, describe one fit problem, and choose your next step.
If you need more time, pause the video. A simple answer is enough. Do you have this in a large? How much is it? Could I try it on?
Add one real detail about you. Your size, your favorite color, or your budget makes the sentence easier to remember.
Thank you for practicing with Lisa and me on Basic English Stream. We use slow, clear English for real moments outside home.
Save this episode and return tomorrow. Listen once, repeat one useful line, and say it again without reading.
Subscribe to Basic English Stream for more easy English listening practice, and share this shopping mission with a friend who wants English to feel useful and calm.
In the comments, complete this sentence. Do you have this in? We would love to see your size or favorite color.
One clear question can help you find the right item and keep the conversation moving.
Bye-bye, and keep your English flowing.